This is Richard from Manchester Smokehouse. Hello, Richard.
Hiya, pleased to meet you.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks. Yeah,
So,
yeah.
first of all, before we tell this incredible story, what have we got before us?
Okay, this is oak smoked Scottish salmon.
And it smells incredible.
It does.
Now, the best thing about this, I'm sure it tastes very nice, but the story behind it, where this recipe comes from, is incredible.
Yeah, correct. It's basically it was developed by my great grandfather, who was on the Titanic, survived.
Wow! Wow!
Yeah, correct. One of the very lucky few who did survive.
How did he survive? Do you know how was he?
He couldn't sleep at night, that night, so he was wandering on the deck. 'Cause he was third class, so he shouldn't really have survived. But because he was wandering on the deck, he just happened to be above deck, when it hit the iceberg, and was lucky enough to be told to get into a lifeboat to row it.
So right place, wrong time.
Correct, basically.
Okay.
Yeah, and because he was in a lifeboat, he got picked up by the Carpathian, taken to New York, which very few people got into America full stop without having to go through Ellis Island.
Yeah.
One of the very few people that did. And he saw the whole concept of delis and things like that when he was there. And this is one of the things, believe it or not, that he picked up and came back to the UK
So he
with.
brought this recipe back with him. And how long ago was that?
1913.
Yeah, I could have done the maths. That was quite a famous date, isn't it?
Yeah, well, 1912 when it sunk. Took him about 9 months to end up coming back to the UK because his family was still here. He was going on to basically set up a life, and he was going to send money back, and then they were going to follow on.
So the recipe and the style, how close is it now to what it was back then when you great grandmother?
It's exactly the same. Exactly the same.
That's incredible.
It is literally been passed down through the generations. Mixture of my father and my grandfather taught me. My dad was showing me the basics of the curing and everything else. But my grandfather showed me all the cutting and the slicing because he's right-handed and my dad's left-handed.
Oh, I've got one more question for you.
Yeah.
Can I have a bit?
Of course you can.
Thank you.
As long as I can slice it properly, you'll be
sure
all right.
you can.